Let's get those motherfuckers.
Yeah. Jet, what the hell do you got on?
I'm Vet Jaghori, like a veterinarian. It's Halloween, I'm dressing up.
Well, where's your cat, your dog, your turtle, your hamster?
I don't have an animal on. I can't walk around with a fucking live animal. That doesn't make sense.
You're ridiculous.
I'm not ridiculous. You're ridiculous. You're not wearing anything. Let's just go. Okay. You're not wearing anything on Halloween.
Let's go.
What's your deal? What's your deal?
I don't know. Let's just go.
What do you think? I don't know about that one, Chief. Go ahead. Tell me.
This is definitely the place. That's definitely them, right? Listen, okay, so what do you mean? What's that for? What do you mean, what is that for? What are you gonna gun for? What do you mean, what do I have a gun for? Of course I have a gun. I have to have a gun. What are you supposed to mean? I'm Vet Jaghori, man. I'm a veteran.
Who have you fought in? What military?
I'm not fighting the Jet Jaghori Devantes War. If you shut your goddamn mouth. You're not even wearing a Halloween costume. You're not wearing a house on my ass. Washington football team. Is that where your Halloween? That's a good Halloween costume. Alright, let's go. Let's get them, man.
Hey, you two! This is definitely the place.
Yep.
Okay.
We have it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God. What?
Easy.
Violence. What are you doing?
Look, it's not.
Hey, wait. He's got your hat. Oh.
Thank you.
You can.
It's not what you think. We're not robbing this place. We're not here doing crimes. We were just trying to run away. Not from you. We've seen a ghost.
Okay. Really? You expect us to believe that? No, come on. Hey,
What do we have here?
What the hell are you doing? That's what I've been trying to say this whole time.
Vet Jaghori, learn about it.
Look, there are time for this. There was a ghost, literally, right there. Where? Oh, God.
That is messed up.
Should we be running?
Jet, I love you. Fuck this.
I mean, it's just, like, what?
God! Oh, no! Ah, shit! Good! Come on! What the fuck is that? Jet, come on! Come on, get out of here!
It's just a grumpy little cat. Like, he just needs a friend. I'm a vet. This is my time to shine. What's wrong, buddy? Oh, shit! Oh, nah.
Dude, what are we eating?
The mess hall, I think it's Sloppy Joe's again.
Well, wait, what's going on in the ring?
What?
I think we have a match.
No, we don't. Yeah, we don't have anything coming up right now.
All right, we do have a match.
All right, I guess let's have a match.
And a three-way tag match.
Yeah, it looks like we got Crummels and Defarge, we got The.Air.Show, and we got Jet Jaghori and Devantes. It looks like Devantes is going to start this up right now against Razerwyng. Or not. Here comes Jet. He had me fooled. But not Razerwyng. Razerwyng taking them both out.
Where did our third team go?
I think they dropped down. They'll get in the ring when they're good and ready. This is a three-way tag team match, which I assume is under Lucha rules.
I believe they all are. I can't believe Frog here.
I mean, a moment ago this wasn't even a match, so I'm just
Who
covering
knows?
all my bases here.
Very, very true.
Air-Show ruling the ring right now.
Yeah, Devantes taking a beat on the apron.
Oh! Kick right to the mush. That Tiger Fane kick. Mach 10 uses the ropes like no other competitor I've ever seen. It's his own personal trampoline.
Oh, Jack, a little thumb in the eye.
Not as showy as what Mach 10 just did, but effective nonetheless.
Yeah, you gotta get the job done.
10 off the ropes. Gonna cut out the knees. Rolling underneath. Jet hitting every rope.
I guess
Moonsault into the cover.
well, Jet said anything you can do, I can do better, and he's gonna use those ropes just like Mach 10 would.
Throwing Jet out of the ring. That counts as a tag. Crummels now legal.
Hey, ego. Watch out, Mark.
Little tag team offense between Crummels and Devantes. That's something I never thought I'd say before.
Mark, come on.
That is a scary man.
Yeah, Devantes is unleashing on Mach 10 right
You
now.
want some of this?
He's calling everybody in.
And some Razor.
Watch out.
He's got the whole Air-Show in his hands.
Jeez, my God!
So much impact.
What a hoss that guy is!
Crummels in again to save the matchup. Trying to eject Devantes.
I'm a real big fan of you.
Listen, he's the hoss of hosses for a reason.
A polite retreat by Mr. Crummels.
Very smart, very smart.
Razor up high. Oh, beautiful. Springboard G9 there. A little slow into the covers. Gives Defarge a chance to break things up.
And now goes, oh!
Unintentional tope suicide.
It's one way to eliminate your opponents, right?
And now Crummels and Defarge in there alone with Razerwyng.
Little assisted atomic drop.
Oh, spins him all the way around into the cover. Mach 10 at the last second.
I think he jumped over Chris Levin for that drop kick.
And gets met by all those boots as a reward. And set for the ride. Cartwheeling through. That tandem offense of Crummels and Defarge.
I'll tell you
Nobody
what.
does it better.
I will 100% agree.
Oh!
Sometimes they're not the cleanest in with the way they go about it, but they're one of the most well-oiled machine here at Camp Leapfrog. They are such a good tag team.
Crummels and Defarge just owning the ring now. Jet and Devantes going to get in. I think they're going to talk it out.
Switching it up, making sure that, size comparisons are a little better.
It's a good strategy.
And we're off.
Firing away.
Drop the gloves. Here we are. Oh, I think Jet Jaghori's got knocked out.
And once again, Crummels and Defarge owning the ring. Unfortunately, can't win the match without an opponent in there. Comes the assist. Taking out everybody. Here's Mr. Crummels. Jet in there now. Ooh, rocking the jaw.
Wow.
That looked familiar.
You don't get to do that.
Unfortunately, he does, Mr. Defarge.
It's a shame because they've been trying to do the hula hoop for a long time, or the Ring of Fire for main event, and now they just got their dive stolen. Here we go.
Is he a flying Defarge? No, we're not. We're certainly not.
Airshow's putting a stop to that Air Show so they can do one of their own.
Diving through the Air Show. Taking to the skies.
Let's go.
Want to call out look at all the tombstones around the ring. I will say this. That's they're not fake. That's all the dead bodies that we've acquired here at Camp Leapfrog over the past couple
Are you
shows.
supposed to be bringing that up? Are you supposed to be bringing that up?
Probably not, but here it already happened.
Mach 10 up high. Splashes down.
Oh, they had the double pin. That would have been it.
The Stargazer from all the way up top. Crummels gonna set him up on that second rope. Into the cover. Devantes in to break it up. It's so hard with these three-way matches. There's so many bodies entering the ring. Crummels fighting his way out of it, but from the wrong side of that exploding vertical suplex.
Kind of dropped him on it, but it actually made it a little worse.
He's going up for it. Shut the fuck, Sam! I don't like swearing, but that's what it's called, and I'm a professional. 1, 2, oh, at the last second.
Devantes tried to play lead blocker there to make sure they couldn't break it up, so they just plowed Devantes into the count.
He's got him all the way up, trying to fight his way out as Mach 10. Devantes tries to dump him over the top rope, bodies everywhere. He's got a gun! Yeah, let's take that out of the... Yeah. Chris Levin.
Oh!
The helmet rocket off the skull!
He's out
He's
cold.
gone!
He is out cold. Look at his arms are stiff.
That metal helmet right off the skull of Razerwyng, Jet Jaghori. Devantes, your winners here.
Let's go eat.
Yeah, it's time to eat.